Welcome to Casa Cecilia Private Resort, where modern luxury meets natural beauty. Step into a world of sophistication and relaxation, where every detail has been carefully curated for your comfort and enjoyment. Dive into luxury in our state-of-the-art swimming pool, complete with a rejuvenating jacuzzi where you can unwind and soak away your cares. Entertain in style in our elegant gazebo, the perfect setting for intimate gatherings. For those with a spirit of adventure, our spacious camping site provides the ultimate outdoor retreat, with all the comforts of modern living. Retreat to one of our 3 stylish bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities and plush furnishings. Wake up to panoramic views of the majestic mountains, offering a picturesque backdrop for your stay at Casa Cecilia. Lounge in our designer hammocks. Gather around the sleek bonfire with friends and loved ones. Keep the party going with our high-tech Bluetooth speakers and sleek karaoke setup. Stay connected to the world while enjoying the tranquility of your getaway with our high-speed Wi-Fi available throughout the resort. Unleash your inner chef in our sleek modern kitchen, complete with top-of-the-line appliances and a refrigerator stocked with all the essentials. Bring along your stylish pets to Casa Cecilia, where they can roam and play in our chic and pet-friendly environment. Whether you're planning a wedding, corporate event, or social gathering, our sleek events place can accommodate up to 150 guests, providing the perfect backdrop for any occasion. Experience the height of modern luxury at Casa Cecilia Private Resort. Book your stay with us today and elevate your getaway to a whole new level of sophistication and style.